Zinc zinc tape is a unique anti-corrosion product that is easily applied, versatile and a proven product that reacts in a similar way to hot dip galvanizing, but with the added advantage of on-site or works application. Zinc acts as a barrier coating and sacrificial anode, giving a total corrosion control solution. The tape is able to achieve this through its unique electroconductive adhesive that maintains electrical continuity between the zinc coating and the substrate. Zinc tape is approved by the Italian Standards Institute and is covered by UNI 10781, laminar zinc coating for atmospheric corrosion. The product consists of a high-purity zinc tape with a nominal thickness of 0.08 mm, but can be supplied to a maximum thickness of 0.5 mm. The tape is supplied with an adhesive of a nominal thickness of 0.025 mm that can resist a continuous operating temperature of 80 degrees Celsius and which reacts under electroconductive pressure. Polluted until the tape is applied. Zinc can be supplied in two different forms, on rolls ranging from 10 mm width to 300 mm width and in specific shapes based on customer requirements. For particularly aggressive environments, such as those found in certain areas of chemical plants, then Zinc zinc tape can be coated with Tedlar, which is a PVF film having excellent resistance to acids, hydroxides and solvents. Tedlar is produced by DuPont and is available clear or in selected colors. Zinc is designed to cover the surface of iron, steel, aluminium and light metals to protect them from corrosion. This is achieved by applying Zinc through the correct pressure to the surface that needs to be protected. Importantly, the tape includes a percentage of zinc powder in the adhesive matrix that makes it electroconductive. This allows the adhesive to create an electrical couple between the surface that needs to be protected and the zinc tape, allowing the zinc to act as a galvanic anode. As a consequence of the unique manufacturing process and the high purity of the zinc foil is totally homogeneous and has an isotopic microstructure which cannot be found in other protection systems. For this reason, the corrosion process is suppressed with no pitting or any form of local corrosive attack. The product's main features include the stopping of any direct corrosion, active corrosion protection. This is due to the electrical contact between the surface to be protected and the zinc layer, which in the presence of an electrolyte reacts as a sacrificial anode. The adhesive layer, longevity. In many cases, Zinc has been found to equal and outlive the structure that it is protecting. Zinc is easily applied to most steel structures, ranging from power station plant to shipping containers. Surface preparation. Zinc zinc tape is very surface preparation tolerant compared to many paint systems, but as with all coatings, the better the surface preparation, the better the adhesion. As a minimum, the substrate should be mechanically wire brushed cleaned, degreased. The surface should be completely dry when the tape is applied. Unlike other coatings, no primer is required, and in fact the whole essence of the zinc tape system is to ensure that the electroconductive adhesive on the zinc tape is in full contact with the metal substrate. Unlike conventional coatings that just act as a protective barrier to outside elements, the Zinc zinc tape system acts as a sacrificial anode when the metal is in contact with water of moist salts, thus eliminating the effects of corrosion. Where zinc tape has sustained mechanical damage, then patch repairing is extremely simple. Just cut out the damaged area using a craft knife, clean surface as previously described, then cut out a patch in an oval shape, ensuring a minimum of 5 mm overlap. Remove the backing paper and stick onto damaged area. Use a hard, blunt instrument to rub the patch into the damaged area. As you can see, this is a simple, fast and effective repair. It is also possible to paint the zinc tape in the same way as you would galvanized surfaces. This is a check of Zinc zinc tape on gas tanks after 20 years from original application. Samples of tape are removed and examined. As can be seen, the removal of Zinc zinc tape from the weld area shows the steel to be in perfect condition. There is also evidence that much of the electroconductive adhesive remains on the substrate surface. This is an indication that the bond between the zinc tape and steel is excellent. The sample zinc tape can then be taken away, the thickness measured with a micrometer, and the remaining life can then be determined. Conclusions. Zinc tape is easy to apply and versatile, with tape reels ranging from 10mm width tape to 300mm width, and in thicknesses of between 80 and 500 microns. It can also be supplied as washers and gaskets to whatever shapes and sizes the customer requires.